we are covering lost link procedures and fail-safe settings for the FAA Part 107 exam. A lost link is the loss of the command and control radio signal between the remote controller and the unmanned aircraft. The exam will test your understanding of what happens next, and more importantly, what you, as the remote pilot in command, or PIC, did before the flight to prepare for the situation. The FAA wants to see that you have a predictable, pre-planned procedure for a lost link event. Your drone's fail-safe settings are this procedure. Most systems provide three options: return to home, also known as RTH, hover in place, or land at its current location. The most common and often tested setting is return to home. An exam question might present a scenario like this. You are inspecting a 200-foot-tall communications tower, and the highest obstacle in your entire operating area is a group of trees at 120 feet AGL. What is the minimum altitude you should program for your return-to-home failsafe? The correct answer would be an altitude safely above the tallest obstacle, so something like 150 or 200 feet would be a reasonable choice, ensuring the drone clears all obstructions on its automated flight back. A common exam trap is confusing a lost link with a complete flyaway. A lost link is a connection issue where the pre-programmed failsafe should activate. A flyaway is an unrecoverable situation where the aircraft does not respond to any inputs or failsafe commands. The exam focuses on the planned response to a lost link, not the uncontrolled chaos of a flyaway. Another trap is misunderstanding the PIC's responsibilities. Even with an automated RTH sequence, the PIC must monitor the situation and ensure the aircraft does not pose a hazard to other people or aircraft. According to Part 107.19c, the PIC must ensure the small unmanned aircraft will pose no undue hazard to other people, other aircraft, or other property in the event of a loss of control for any reason. If a lost link incident results in an accident, you may be required to file a report with the FAA. Under Part 107.9, a report is required within 10 days if the accident results in serious injury to any person or any loss of consciousness, or property damage exceeding $500 to repair or replace, excluding the drone itself. A helpful mnemonic to remember your pre-flight RTH check is SAFE. Set altitude, area clear, fail-safe test, and execute. Set your RTH altitude above all obstacles. Confirm the home point area is clear for landing. Perform a quick fail-safe test a few feet off the ground to ensure it initiates correctly. Then you can execute the main flight with confidence. The FAA expects you to act as a proactive safety manager, and programming your fail-safe settings is a key part of that responsibility. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.